The A4Q AI Portfolio brings together 3 certifications, each designed to strengthen your understanding of AI from a different perspective. You can start with A4Q AI Essentials to gain a clear understanding of how AI works and how to apply it ethically and effectively. Explore A4Q AI Foundation to deepen your knowledge of AI methods, risk awareness, and quality assurance, bridging the gap between innovation and responsibility. And finally, the new A4Q Certified Professional for AI Compliance, a specialized program focused on the EU Artificial Intelligence Act. Here, you'll explore risk classification, governance, conformity assessment, and post-market monitoring, all the key elements organizations need to stay compliant in the new regulatory era. Together, these 3 certifications form a complete learning journey, from understanding AI to mastering its governance and compliance. Developed by experts and aligned with global standards like ISO IEC 42001 and the EU AI Act, the A4Q AI Portfolio prepares you to shape the future of responsible AI. Ready to shape the future of responsible AI? Get certified with the A4Q AI Portfolio, available through iSQI, your trusted global exam provider. AI is advancing fast. Make sure you advance with it. Success is yours.